not on.
It's not on.
Yeah, no, it clicked it. It clicked.
It's not on.
No, they gave you defective ones, man.
It's like they're broken.
Yep.
What time is it right now, Dion?
What
like
time it
10
is?
o'clock?
It's like 10:13.
Dude, it's 10 o'clock on a Saturday. And, you know, I'm tired as hell. But you know what? It's going to be a good day because we got Dion here. Let me get the camera in there. What's up, Dion? Say
What up?
What up? And we got his red STI here. And we're installing some Subispeed goodies on the car today. So we got headlights and we got taillights. Quick and easy install. Nothing really that difficult. And not only that, we got Chad here. I don't know if you've seen him on... Actually, you have seen him on the channel before. And, of course, Casey's over there. They're doing their thing. But yeah, we're going to do a quick install for you, and that's about it. We're not going to do a full detailed install. You guys seen detailed install videos of the headlights. It's on their website, on Subispeed's website, and the tails, which is super easy to do. But yeah, let's get to work.
Get in there. That's what she
Do it.
Yeah, man, you can do it. One plug.
You can do it.
Shut up, Chad. Blame me for everything.
Can I help you? Just push
Casey's
it.
our
Push
cheerleader
it real
for
good.
today.
Yeah, just hanging out.
Yeah.
Push it real good.
Got off work, what, 2 hours
took it
ago?
off.
Yeah.
Here we are
Back
doing
on?
car stuff.
Always.
I can call English for you, and they can come do it for you.
Miles. He'll probably say some stupid shit to me.
Probably would.
Him and fucking Tiff.
Oh, ready to click. All right.
Turn on.
Go. Just make sure it works.
Everyone say it doesn't work.
Yeah.
It's on.
It's not. It's not on.
It's not on.
Yeah, no, it clicked it. It clicked.
It's not on.
No, they gave you defective ones, man.
It's like they're broken.
Yep.
That's not on.
Nope.
Nope.
Uh-oh. John, what'd you do?
You have to have the key in?
No.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh yeah, I think so. Fucking Subaru.
I don't have to on mine.
I don't have a key.
Well,
Nope.
wait, ours we don't. Oh, there we go.
Doesn't work, man.
Nope. Still doesn't work.
Wait, so turn on your turn signal.
It's not gonna.
No, we have to plug in the sea lights.
Oh, we haven't done any of that.
But the headlight part works.
Wait, is this a sequential or not?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll see it. The sequential?
It's not.
It's bright.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we still gotta wire it. All right, so the Subispeed headlights are now installed. We're just taking the wiring and just tucking it in nice and neatly so you can't see it. But the install was pretty easy. All right, so that's pretty much the install of the lights. We're gonna do some beauty shots later, but it looks pretty good in my opinion. Kind of dig it. Maybe I should get some for myself. What do you guys think? But Dion also installed some tail lights from Subispeed. Let me go ahead and show you.
That's all your stuff.
You had eye bolts.
Yeah.
There's the tails.
Don't mind the mess.
so that's a quick down and dirty install video of me installing the Subispeed headlights on Dion's 2015 STI. Now, I will say the lights look absolutely amazing out in the wild, seeing them rolling down the street and seeing them in my rearview mirror. If there was one word I can give these headlights, they look really sharp. I think sharp is the key word here. But there are a couple things I do not like about the Subispeed headlights. One, of course, everyone complains about the price point. This sequential version is almost $1,300 and the non-sequential is $900. Yeah, I think the more ideal situation is to have one version or make it switchable like they do with their taillights. And with the price point of $999 or something like that, I think is a more reasonable price. But I'm not a business guy. Maybe there is $400 extra in parts for the sequential version. I do not know. And one thing I do not agree with is how these headlights are wired. Now, the C-lights are connected with these wires. Now, in my honest opinion, now I'm not a wiring expert at all, but this is not the most ideal way to connect wires, especially if it's on the exterior of the vehicle. Now, I live in a place where it rains a whole butt ton about 9 months out of the year, and with a little bit of snow here and there. Now, there's a whole bunch of potential for water, dirt, sand, salt, whatever to get into these connections. We ended up having to solder these connections to get a more secure connection. But if you're going to use these connections, I highly advise you to wrap them with electrical tape or heat shrink them or solder them like we did. Now, we also had an issue with the fuse taps. If you just jiggle them just a little bit, this will cause the C-lights to flicker on and off. So I think there's a build quality issue with these fuse taps. But anyways, that is it. Overall, I'm happy with how they look. I really love the way they look, to be honest with you. But like I said, there's some wiring issues that I don't necessarily agree with. Oh, let me show you one thing. So this is my cheap $100 light bar wiring. Now, like I said, I'm not a wiring expert, but I think something like this, having waterproof connections that are more watertight would be a more ideal situation on how to wire those connections together. Because in my honest opinion, those male and female butt connectors are not going to last. But Dion left me his stock headlights. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them, but we'll see. And thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys' support, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.